Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change date and time on Philips The One Ambilight Smart TV. Turn on your TV and we want to open settings. You can move your controller and move it here, or just press this button to open settings on your controller. Continue clicking by all settings, go down, open system, and here date and time. As you can see, I have set 19 May 2021. It's wrong and also the time is wrong. If you want to change it to actual time and date, the easiest way is to open automatic date and time and select option use network provided time. So it was changed to actual date and time. You can also choose here if you want to use 24-hour format. That's it guys, I hope you found it helpful. See you next time.